Hey Star Wars fans, Jay here, and today I'm doing another product review for Star Wars collectors, and I've got something really special to share. This week, I got to travel to the planet of Batuu at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland Resort, and one of the coolest experiences I had there was building my own lightsaber at Savi's workshop, and that's what we'll be looking at today. So the first step in making your own lightsaber is to choose which style of lightsaber you want to make. You're given 4 different options. The first one is power and control. This is a style that's reminiscent of the Sith, something maybe Darth Maul or Vader might use. Then you're also given the option of peace and justice. This is a style that's reminiscent of the Jedi, something Luke, Obi-Wan, Yoda might use. And then there's elemental nature. This one's really cool and really different. It's got different pieces for the hilt that are made of leather, bone, wood, things that come from nature. And the last one is protection and defense. This one has a little bit of a gritty look to it, something that looks like it's out of antiquity, maybe something that the Old Republic would use. I wanted something a little bit different, so I went with elemental nature. And depending on which style of lightsaber you end up making, you get a special pin. And so this one is for elemental nature. If you went with power and control or peace and justice, you end up getting a different pin, and that's what you wore once you entered the workshop. The next step is to customize your hilt. You're given 2 different options for the base of the hilt, the lower handle, the power switch, the upper handle, and the top of the hilt. So the 2 different types of bases come with 2 different types of suspension clips. The one I chose has a D-ring. The other option is a covert clip, and both of those work with the belt accessory. And to make the elemental lightsaber, these are the pieces I chose. So everybody starts with the same hilt body. And the first step is to add the upper portion of the handle. And then you loosely screw on the top of the hilt. Then you add the lower portion of the handle and loosely screw on the base of the hilt. Now here's where the magic happens. You get to choose a Kyber Crystal. And out of 4 different options, I chose the purple Kyber Crystal. And so what you do is you add it to the center of the hilt by pushing it in to a spring-loaded section, and then the power starts. Once the Kyber Crystal is in place, you add the switch pieces. You can see there's a red square marking and a blue square marking, and that allows you to align the pieces that are in the inside portion of the handle pieces to those same color coordinations. Snap that into place, tighten up the ends, your hilt is now complete. But wait, there's still one more step to do. And finally, with the assistance of the Guardians, under the direction of Grand Master Yoda, our lights are added to our sabers. And we all reach for our hilts at once and ignite our lightsabers. And as an added bonus, all participants on our way out of the workshop are given a lightsaber sheath. This not only allows you to carry your lightsaber, but it also protects it and hides it from First Order stormtroopers. And another really cool thing is in Doc Ondor's Den of Antiquities, which is another shop in Galaxy's Edge, you can buy some additional Kyber crystals of different colors. I believe they have around 5 other different colors, so I picked up yellow and white. And these can also switch out the crystal that you have currently in your lightsaber. So let's see what they look like once we add the yellow and the white. And this is what the yellow lightsaber looks like ignited. And this is what the white lightsaber looks like. This one happens to be my favorite. And there you have it, customized lightsaber from Savi's workshop. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos on reviews on other products I got at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.